In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Then click on App Notifications here. And before doing anything, either search for an app you wanna manage or click on Sort By. This way you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, apps with notifications switch on, or apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click on blue switches next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also select any app and tap on it on the left. This way, not only you can turn on or off app notifications at the top, but also check out and manage all of those notification options available only for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!